people. So it's by 6:30 in the morning. I had finished my bath and I'm all dressed and ready because these YouTube recordings mean so much to me. So, like I said, friends who are very special to me, I want to make these, I make these short little videos or audio message to thank them. So today I want to thank this friend. I've known her from school. Her name is Swati. Swati Shiv Kumar, and oh my God, yeah, it's like I mean. Swati and me both don't have our mothers, except in the case of Swati, she lost her mom. Like, I lost my mom when I was 31. Yeah, and Swati lost her mom when she was 13. So I don't know, it's a very different kind of bond that you would have with a friend who's lost a parent, and she recently lost her dad also, like a month ago. So, but I have, so it can be like heartbreaking, It's like I was to go and attend the 10th day ceremony, but this lockdown had begun, and but really, yeah, among the people I know, if there's like, when my mom was alive, no, if there's one person whom I could call brave, it would be Swati, like in this Japanese healing group that I'm a part of, they say we are given our problems according to our capacity to handle it. So, going by that logic, I think God truly sees Swati as an IIT candidate, because the kind of it's it's pretty single-handed, the kind of trials and tribulations she's been through. So, but speaking in a very happy sense, I remember back in college, Swati would do something known as the Shiv fast. I mean, every Monday, Shiv Upvas, I think it's called. You for 16 Mondays consecutively, if you fast, apparently you will get a good husband. So, but it's like I remember Swati doing this fast, and I was like, okay. And imagine she finally marries a person who's called Mr. Shiv. How cool is that? I mean, so that's the, if you really have that one focused mind, the universe rearranges itself for you. So truly, Swati, I mean, when my mom was alive, she would say that among all your circle of friends, if there's one friend who will be there for you no matter what, it is Swati. So I believe that with all my heart, that no matter how busy she is, and she always makes time to connect, or she's just there, and sometimes that is such a, it's rare, because I wish I could be that friend for so many, but we all tend to put our own lives, needs, everything before anything else. So in that sense, someone like, to meet someone like Swati is rare. So thank you, God, thank you, universe, for giving me the fortune, good fortune, to meet a friend like Swati Shiv Kumar. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.